Understanding Strong and Sturdy, an English language guide. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this episode, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of two important English adjectives, strong and sturdy. These words are often used in everyday conversation and can be vital in describing objects, people, or even situations. Let's explore these terms in detail to enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension. Strong is an adjective that describes something or someone possessing great physical power, strength, or high intensity. It's often used to describe 1. Physical strength, like a bodybuilder lifting heavy weights. 2. Emotional strength, showing courage during challenging times. 3. Intensity, referring to things like a strong flavor, smell, or a strong wind. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the exact meaning when strong is used. On the other hand, sturdy specifically refers to something built strongly and robustly. It implies 1. Durability, an object that can withstand pressure or damage. 2. Reliability, often used for structures or objects like sturdy buildings or sturdy furniture. 3. Figurative use, sometimes used to describe people who are reliable and resilient. Sturdy often conveys a sense of lasting strength and reliability. While both strong and sturdy relate to strength, their usage differs. Strong is more versatile, applicable to physical, emotional, and sensory contexts. Sturdy is often reserved for describing objects or people in terms of durability and reliability. Remember, the context often dictates which adjective is more appropriate. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meanings and uses of strong and sturdy. Remember, understanding these nuances not only enhances your vocabulary but also improves your ability to express yourself accurately in English. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.